Hey guys, in this session let us learn about the different types of shell available in Linux. They are SH, Bash, CSH, KCSH, KSH and ZSH. Okay, each and every shell are similar but the type is different. Okay, SH stands for bone, Bash stands for bone again shell, CSH stands for C shell, KCSH stands for KC shell and KSH stands for corn shell, ZSH stands for Z shell. Okay, we don't see all these shells, but in this course we will be using Bash shell, which is bone again shell. Okay, and if you have any favorite shell, you can use that particular shell if you want, and if you are aware of that shell, you can switch your shell like this. Okay, so you'll be getting a dollar symbol like this. So if you are interested to use corn shell, then you can use KSH and type your commands like this. Okay, and if you want to exit, you can say exit. Okay, if I need to use Bash, then I can use Bash. Okay, so Bash is the default shell which is used in my system. Okay, if you want to check your shell again, just use echo and use this dollar symbol and the variable. Since shell is a variable which is set in the environment variable settings, so you can check the default shell. Okay, or you can use env to check the shell. Okay, so likewise, whatever shell that you want to use, you can switch to each and every different shells. Okay, since CSH and KCSH are not installed or by default in this variant, if you want, you can explicitly install. Okay, so this is how you can switch between each and every shells and create your script. Okay.